never called anymore. And Pepe no just see a car children penny for. Yes, a can no creature a penny. If you see a beer, no, Yayanso near Becca, and you'll be an Becca. We have to say it right down here on Nhyira 104.5. One day and the boom, never be fine. Intibra YouTube, Facebook, Jumedi ni live on TikTok, all the social media handles, no, ubi to me join and never be to me akoyepa. Na Ghana yamanyo semono. Ye kan amanyo sebwa. Eyadia ye ede pemu susuye ede pre oman empuntu nipa ewomu eyi edie ho nsem ene wo nkoso na amanyosem ni mu no obia ne na dwene ni nsusuye ntino ye wo mu nchechemu a eduru ba bia obia wo de opeso wo de bebo anti eno ne namu me enya ankorankore a wo mpeso wo mbedi animu ebi ko contact cross independent no makogirem ebi nso join ni amanyokuo na wonu mu awuram se be ya wo benya tumi na wo benya kwanya abetena benya so atimi aboa ana se oman no akonya so atimi aboa na de wo mu ne se amanyokuo ahodo e wo man mu nyina no obia ade ehu hia de oteso a odi aban no ehia ana de wo wachire nso a ono nso ehwe se ebire bi wono so betumi abenya edwa no atena so hu hia die ntia because when we have a responsible opposition anansi yenya amanyuku a egwachire a wo mu eye competent anansi wono mu aboa wo ho a obetumi aboa wo man no a eya na itimi ma wo mu a eteso edi dwuma no wono mu ho keka ekọ animu edeboa saa na tie se opposition eye vibrant eye potent emade ono no eye incumbent anansi wo tie dwaso no oyire ne ho so obeya adwuma se beya obi mfirechire emagine tumi mfiri ne nsem edi ehu hia se yenya opposition very very necessary na omaputu aban no in checks criticisms na eba de nyina de ye constructive enye de ya na ebi ne nam over the bar no de ye constructive no eboa mo man no etumpon enu ntiam okọ mrahye bedwafi a ye wo different ye wo independent candidates ye wo mo so wo opposition party ni mu ene amanyoko ahodo no ebitimi nya akwanya nso timi rem de atie ne se nanu memeneda osunu kokroko amanyoko ene wo mote akiri eye opposition party no ekọ abatum ekọ pre akandifu a wono beboa mantem ahodo ni nyina se be ya wono de beboa wo ho na wo mo de abepre tumi ewo mamu de abetena oman no bampani akonwa so ne nkonwa aka no a ebetumi aboa na yetumi de oman akọ nanim na eduru ba bia omusunsusu yemu no wono betumi de oman na koye na generally many because apart from 1-2 places bia me hu say na basabasa ye in the eastern region side wo ba bi ni other places no generally it was peaceful mebo mpanimfo no abaso mo a eye nhwehwe organizers no ne ade nyina generally in fact within the Ashanti region crowd everything yante say bibi obi akopira obi bibi akoidabi. And so the MPP, this organization was a very good one, fantastic one, and I believe that Oma taking record of those strategies so that we have it all the time. And then those ones that happened back home, you know, be a CC war, Eastern region, other places, and don't bet me so I said, Yanko ye, no matter 20 ye. Nani you I can say that na ye. It went well. Bibia ko peaceful. It Oko boy who could be more greater Accra. Bernard Okoboy, Papai, or no any Jinemua Utimi Ewini as a chairman. Because I'm a concentration or chairman, no, so because woman a lead the party, the face of the party within the regions, no. It Bernard Okoboy, or no a defeatee Alfred Boy, the Ewini for the MPP in the Greater Accra region. Ignatius Kwesi every fans who win Western region as MPP chairman, Ignatius. Kwesi Afrifa onunsu ewini ye na okọ Bono region so Kwame Bafo Abronye enso ewini in the Bono region no na Jeff Kunadu Ado enso retaining the seat ewo Eastern region as NPP chairman Jeff Kunadu na Joseph Kobina Esibu ono so retaining the seat as central regional chairman for the MPP. Now Robert Safu Mensah and so we need for the Ahafo region. We say first na Bono ne Ahafo, she say Ahafo and Abono and Abronya wo Bono no ono no Ahafo region as MPP chairman Robert Safu Mensah and Alhaji Idrisu Sulemana and so Savannah region for the MPP obey chairman and Alhaji Fuseni Nuruddin and so we need Northeast region as MPP chairman. Elvis Figo Awonikai also with the Upper East region as chairman. And Mohammed Bantima Adam Samba na dodwana a friend ono so wini for the northern region as NPP chairman. Makafui Kofi Wanya enso wini for the voter region as the chairman. Now ba Ashanti regional odene ho kwaku apia COKA enso emerge as the winner for the MPP the regional chairmanship race no ono nso na eda ho nti omu nyina na ye show omu e was screen so no. Congratulations to all of them any omu other executives omu ka ho a wono ewini ye nya omu so elusu ye na I believe that collectively no the chairman no be hu kwan on be fa so a on be ensure say peace ebetumi prevail. But now me share the results and what happened, you know. The concentration was on Ashanti region and of course the Bono region. And okay, Ashanti region, MPP asemwa. Ashanti region happens to be the stronghold of the MPP, which after 2024, who say enoma pinuano and Asia. If the MPP is not careful, Ashanti region, Dani BBO. Now, prior to 2024 elections, you know, NDC now more only 4 parliamentary seats in the Ashanti region. And as someone say, New Edubiasi, Ejirase, Chiredumas, and of course, Afram Plains. But 2024 elections, you know, Ama Omo Timie Nyabia Kahon and the NDC have gotten about 7 seats within the region. Actually, will say NDC progress. The India Mega say Ashanti region is focused, and of course, the chairman COKA or Dana Hukwapia, and Yakunya Ketwan Wabe, Jetria Kunyana Topa. Eja Etria Kunyana to because where they are right now, no, and yet very comfortable position. And you can't say that the MPP has a comfortable lead in Ashanti region. Looking at 2024 elections, you know, thereby, you know, because in 2016, NPP 1.64 million votes omunya in Ashanti region. Omu progresse kakra in 2020, that is to 1.8 million votes. But when it came to 2024, it dropped it to 1.37 running about 1.4 million. Which tells you, say, there's a drop, and the percentage from 76 by 74, now by 62, actually will say they are dropping. From 70 to 60, actually will say Ashanti region, the MPP air drop it. And so, the only way for COKA or the to make MPP so strong, Ashanti region, in the say, obet me recover all the lost votes, no? For the MPP in the Ashanti region. And of course, yes, voter apathy, ekahubi. Manfo and Phyllis Womkotwaba because na MPP nye attractive. So how would COKA be ensure say, sa apathy ni be free ho? Na manfo ebenya say, omobedo MPP members ankasa, they were not even interested to go and vote for the MPP. From party now own research. So ejuma kesiye daho ema COKA. That is ordene ho kwakwapia. And then, of course, the 7 parliamentary seats in one. NDC Afano. How is COKA also going to try and draw that seat back? As someone said, easy. That one is not easy. But the others, as someone said, Afram Plains easy. But the others, you know, how can COKA able to me a pulley on? And no, a big question because and now, as a chairman, he has a lot to do. Especially to convince a fear or no one can for na ombenya interest in the party. Then what targeted floating voters or the young voters currently Obia MPP as we musroni in Ashanti region Dr. Frank Amwakohene, the regional minister, because now when you traction on the part of the youth any almost and penifoni pinwa so penasem, so it's going to make it a bit difficult say the youth and of course in Penifue on the side, you know, COKA betumi actually it takes a different strategy to get them to pull them back to the MPP. So now the target should be the floating voters. If COKA media and then reconciliation on the members are a bibu afu because na ya tutu o majejemu ebim kaka se twitwe ditia wuti MPP mabunu bia no a omo hawo ne se empanimfo no omunya dibie ne ade a they don't even mind them. Omo brensu yemfi omo. How is COKA going to mend all these things? Now what me we need the hearts of one party members ya omo free ho. I like what I saw Nhyira also bra oko eye chairman Kukufu the fee any day he started the reconciliation. One is a good indication saying he wants unity as Okasai, no. But then ena obeye strategies being no dibegu. That is what I've said. The target should be recovering a voter walusu. But fast forward to the Bono region. Fast forward to the Bono region. Ukopiemwa eye abronye ena ewini for the Bono region. And I want you to listen to eye abronye bra owini ye no. Asemu a okaye abronye e video no enie yentie abronye bra owini wie no ensemu a okaye kakra tie no.
Womonhwe manim se meye wonders okay e wo Bono region me be regional youth organizer ne kachira omo se ye be wonders e wo Bono hafo enti mutisa sie dum katie dwana num ana wa wi ne Bono nyina na no ye general secretary we need 26 from ayi goso ekosi atebugu we need 26 okay enti ne chart ni mu ne ye wo no ne kachira omo se wonders ye 2016 no chart na to ye be sa wonders ni 20 chart na to no say chart na to ba be ye adumadene ama party no reclaim mu ye sisi e wo region mu nyina o ma me no mo ko ye ni nyina no eye mrantia na mpanyimfo a na o monsua adwuma wo me ho o man sua adwuma na nwie na o mo so o mate o me elezado bere ba akon no be ho o hwe onabo ya afo a eye onabo kosi ame akere me ne ba afo awia na de ne ma me se me nkere na adwuma
enti utia abronya so obo mo ne contest ye ni nyina ya ngrofo mbesua adwuma wo no wo ma mpon mo ho ena o mo ba so o mo ne be contest so we win and he won na o win massively. But one thing is that to the MPP, and I can say it's all about MPP. Ashanti region, Mariho, Bono, and I'm taking only these two for today. Now, for the Bono region, one thing that the MPP should know is say Bono is swing. The Bono region, a swing angasa, a swing region, because as of 2012, na NDC ehudi. A movie to the MPP in 2016 and again in 2020. And the MPP has lusu again back to the NDC in 2024. Eche will say the region needs somebody who can actually win votes outside the delegate system. Delegates, you know, there. So, Makoshia or Mokoto, Ebinis or Noase or the training growth. It means that region imuno on one party for the day. Womo delegates no ni ade nyina ye nkrofo a sabio womo esum no menkanesa. Enti abronye winning Bono region enye any surprise. Because the delegates nankasa ye nkrofo a omo be no. I want you to look at the statistics. 2020 DNI. Na de etie ni abronye aye youth regional youth organizer. In MPP 2016 dia no worka e woni audio ni mu no sabre no youth organizer obey first vice chairman as a regional first vice chairman no odidi mu kakra na 2019 eye dombuadu no general secretary for the MPP e dey article 9/24 e dey page no because near separate region from Bron Hafo no to Bono ene Hafo enti Bono ho no ene elevate abronye from first vice so o meye the chairman of the party in Bono. Now abronye be chairman no from 2019 no it means that the party need di animu as a coach at the party na ko elections in 2020. Now 2020 elections no results no any. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo that time ansa na abronye ebeye chairman ye elevating na mana beye chairman the party na 2020 elections no na MPP ekura 11 seats out of the 12 seats in the Bono region no mukura 11 out of the 12 seats na NDC ewo 1 pe but abronye beye chairman no esote MPP lose omu seats including vote from 60% no by 59 something. Emma seats no parliamentary seats no eso sate eba 66 NDC ene omu chemu pe. In fact, that time or promises say go no be chairman no obetumi wini other seats no kura na ekura eye NDC no. But o say lusu seats na MPP kura nyina e de koma eye the NDC. Which means say emu che 66 Metro ni coach in the strategy no said yes any 2020 parliamentary no in the Bono region MPP elusu ye to the NDC 5 seats I beka NDC de no munya 6 86 now 2024 Abronya still the chairman of the MPP in the Bono region omu lusu seats ni nyina to the NDC. All the 6 seats no mukura no almost say lose to the NDC. Emma German South no na NDC claim no omuko reclaim ye. Enti na akoye te say NDC abenya 11 seats ama MPP na no okura sa time no nukura 11 we benya 1 ene da so no. Statistics ni nyina ne da so no. So it means that Abronya's performance for the 2 elections 2020-2024 actually say he is not doing well as a coach for the party. For elections. Now we a team. Now we coach. Echo elections. Now we lose. Now we lose. I see say Bono no yenche they need a strong candidate in the Bono region because such a coach, needs to handle the team again for another contest because we lose from 11 seats to only 1 seat. And the central thing is that a football coach who has this massive lose, needs to lead a team again. For the elections, it is a MPP where you may be they should concentrate also on the Bono region because a Honsu swinger a Timibua MPP apart from the Ashanti region. You can't have a coach who will go and always lose. Trajectory naturally say he's always declining on progressing. And I'm looking forward 2028. It will be the ballot box, not the regional delegates conference. Because regional delegates conference in the omu una watiti omu as executives intino then they will vote for you massively. It is our votes now unya no. E ma wutri mu nya wo de. That's my message to Abronye. Because your trajectory in the general elections actually say you are losing more seats and even losing percentages of votes. She Dr. Baumia di onya NDC be win presidential no crowd by 56%. Baumia take by 43. From Akufo-Addo's over 60. It tells you Abronya is weak in terms of competence in the Bono region. So the MPP needs to do more in the Bono region. That is my advice to them. You can take it or leave it. Enyeka certain thing, shadi we Abronya ewini wie no wonam krum. It means that delegates nenim and we wo edimunyam and wo beto ama no but abontin no he. Obi a we ni a wonam COKA nam krum ye hude esi ye but look at Abronya wonam krum a woda manfo ase se wo mato aba ama no hwe look at the traction obi amfi no e kire se Abronye se MPP na nkoye adwuma wo Bono region na Abronye agu party no wo hodada
ewe obi ayi na niama akwa na sirimpu obi Nhyira ayo bia o ase ayo bia asirifu obi ayirari o obi ava ho resika na se endi patri pe bi na ma mo so
bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 Abronye ni we be amfi dinaka no so yesi ya obi a enti utimi say outside no ankasa no ne traction e wo fam manfo nhyɛ dem feeling no saa but delegates na nim de o ma feeling ato ama no this is Abronye and nobody is minding him no nam group no en gabo where we ni o chairman but abontin so MPP e wa adwumayo ne aka kire say yem fatem didie ene saa kase twetwe no ni ayi no enye chairman sem fa nwini nkrofo party nani munyam ebetwitwiri fam na meka wa ha am ye di matem masaka biem ene ogina abontin no obi amfi no abronye oni hwe on say ase niwo akatenko a so hu eti mumma mo ani nko bono ho na MPP monko boa. That's my word for you. Words na ebeboa no ya ni sha maka a kire opa afa opa ejai.
Nhyira 104.5